Hey, this is Isaac with Park My Share. We're here at Sky Harbor in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm going to show you how to get from Sky Harbor to our location here in Phoenix, Arizona. So once you deboard your plane, you'll head down to baggage claim where you'll get your bags. From there, we'll show you how to get to the outer curb where you'll join and jump onto the parking spot shuttle. If you're at Terminal 4, get to baggage claim, collect your bags, and start heading to door 7 where you'll see the courtesy shuttle exit. That's where the parking spot shuttle will pick you up. So as you're making your way towards your shuttle stop, you can pull up the parking spot app and you can see how far the shuttle is. If you're landing after 11 p.m., make sure to call the parking spot to let them know that you're ready to get picked up at your exit. If you're traveling between the hours of 7 a.m. to 11 p.m., the shuttle should be arriving about every 10 minutes nonstop. You'll know you're at the right spot at Terminal 4 when you see door number 7 north. You're going to head to the second curb where you'll see the courtesy shuttle stop. You'll know that you're at the right spot when you're at door 7 on the outer curb and you see the courtesy vehicle sign overhead. This is very important. You want to make sure that you board the parking spot 1 shuttle. You'll be able to verify that you're at the right shuttle by looking at the number located on the shuttle itself. You'll just let the shuttle driver know that you're a Park My Share Turo guest and you'll be good to board. Once you're on the shuttle, there's a couple ways that you can quickly verify again that you're at the right shuttle. You'll see the number 1 located over the luggage area and then one other area above your headspace back here where you'll see the parking spot shuttle 1. If you're traveling out of terminal number 3, you're going to want to collect your bags and head towards the north doors. You're going to head to door number 11 north and you'll go to the outer center curb where you'll see the parking spot 1 shuttle arrive. You'll know you're going to the right area when you see north door 11. You're going to head out of these doors and you're going to work your way towards the outer curb in the center where you will see the courtesy vehicle area. You're going to look for the courtesy permit only sign with the number 11 on it, and then you'll look for the parking spot shuttle number 1. It's really important that you jump on the number 1 shuttle. If you jump on any other shuttle, you'll be taken to the wrong area. You'll be able to see the number on the outside of the vehicle, and then there's a couple places on the inside of the vehicle where you can verify that you're on the right shuttle. Once that's verified, you can just enter the shuttle and let your shuttle driver know that you're doing a Park My Share car share trip. So as you're headed to the Park My Share facility, make sure to remind your shuttle driver that you'll need to be dropped off at the Park My Share section. As you deboard the shuttle, pull up your car sharing host messaging app and look for instructions from your host on how to identify where your vehicle is. You can find your car by looking at the column letters overhead and the space numbers at the end of each space within the Park My Share facility. Once you get to your host vehicle, check your car share host instructions on how to get access to your vehicle. The AVI tag on the vehicle will let you ride out and we'll show you how to do that. So once you get in your vehicle, you can start heading south towards the entrance that you came in from in the shuttle. You know you're in the right area when you're looking at the exit booths headed towards Washington Street. You can use either of the checkout lanes, the left or the right. You just want to pull up slowly to the gate. Our reader will read the AVI tag and the gate will automatically open for you. Regardless if you're entering or leaving the facility, if you have any issues vending the gate, you can use the intercom system to reach out to a Park My Share member and get assistance. They're going to ask you a couple of things. They're going to ask you for your host's name, and then they'll also ask you for the numbers on the back of your AVI tag, which are directly in front of you on the windshield.